Hello my friend, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video I'm going to show you a great technique for mixing vocal. I actually don't follow any specific path, so I'm not trying to tell you just use this or every time just rely on it. I'm just trying to show you a technique. I never use presets, I never use channel presets because every time I change things and it's not really in my taste to follow some specific path. I create that path for each and every project. It's different and it's related to audio materials. So anyway, in this technique we have two EQF plugins from Softube. The hardware belongs to Summit Audio and it's a really great hardware, by the way. The first EQ cuts some extreme body and boxy frequencies that I don't like to hear in this vocal. The second one brings up some excitement in vocal. And please take note, this equalizer works like exciter and really amps, really brings up those details that you might want or seek from an exciter. So this equalizer has many secrets that lots of us maybe use one or two of them, just for color, just for musicality, but it is really amazing, perfect EQ. As you bring it more often in your projects, you will see the way I see. So let's activate EQ and check vocal in solo mode.
It gets a little harder to go there anymore and to care when I pretend. It gets a little harder to go there anymore and to care when I pretend that I'm aware.
It is much softer and more detailed. It has a lot of higher frequency details thanks to FET compressor that brings up those great characters and adds third harmonic distortion in a musical way, and it won't hurt your audio materials. So what does the second EQ do is boosting some of those excitements and actually adding excitement. This EQ is exciting your audio materials, and one of this equalizer secrets is that you can excite like a exciter or tape machine, and it really sounds good. It really sounds good and amps that specific frequency. So I use it a lot for bringing excitement up and adding brightness to audio materials. So let's check.
It gets a little harder to go there anymore and to care when I. It gets a little harder to go there anymore and to care when I pretend that I'm aware. And driving to the Rockies with only stars above to follow me in the sky far from the sea.
So let's check in the song.
It gets a little harder to go there anymore and to care when I pretend that I'm aware. And driving to the Rockies with only stars above to follow me in the sky far from the sea. Going back to Lookout Mountain.
Actually, vocal is now wider and it cuts through the mix. Yes, of course, I need a multi-band compressor here because EQ is not enough and this one compressor isn't doing much on different frequencies. So I need to bring a multi-band compressor, and I will, but this tutorial's purpose was to explain how to use and why to use an EQ before compression and after compression. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.